Welcome to Buvis e-learning. Today we are going to see Array of Structures program. New viewers do subscribe, click the like button and bell button for notification.
Now we are going to see Array of Structures program to calculate student mark details. So for that, first we have declared the preprocessor directives. Next we are going to create the structure and structure name. So struct is the keyword for structure and structure name here is marks. Next we are going to declare the structure with members. Here int, so subject 1, int subject 2, int subject 3 and integer total. So structure has been closed with the semicolon. Next we are going to open the void main function here. Void main, declare the variable int I. So for marks of the student we are giving in the struct marks student of 3 equal to curl bracket and curl bracket again. So we are going to give some marks over here, 81, 0, again curl bracket. So marks of these 3 students, so that we are going to give the marks over here. (57, 36, 71, 0). So now we are going to declare the total. So struct marks total, going for the for loop. So initially I is equal to 0. I'm going to check the condition which is I less than or equal to 2 and going to increment the steps. So I plus plus we are going to check for each student. For that formula is student of I dot total equal to student of I dot subject 1 plus student of I dot subject 2 plus student of I dot subject 3. Close with the semicolon. Now we shall print the statement for total. Printf double quotes total marks /n for new line printing and for loop I equal to 0 semicolon, I is less than or equal to 2, I plus plus printf within quotes student of I modulus of d square bracket colon and modulus of d again /n I plus 1 student of I dot total over here. So our program is finished now. Let us check the output. Click the build and run option over here. So we have got the total marks Student 193 and student 2 is 197 and student 3 is 164. Execution time is 0.17 seconds. I hope you clearly understood this program. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, press the like and share to your friends. Thank you.